we worship you.
All right, saints of God. I want you to forget about all your troubles and your
Sanctuary, we receive your power.
because right now it ain't about you.
Hello, everyone. The Pearland West Church of Christ is launching a brand new series starting this Sunday. At the Pearland West Church of Christ, there are multiple spiritual principles that inform and guide our labor and our work. We're starting a new theme this Lord's Day, Sharpening Our Vision. Sharpening Our Vision. We're going to launch that series with a message, Revelations from Two Prodigal Sons. Revelations from Two Prodigal Sons. I encourage you to be with us this Lord's Day as we launch this entirely new series with the first message, Revelations from Two Prodigal Sons.
All right, saints of God. I want you to forget about all your troubles and your
Sanctuary, we receive your power.
because right now it ain't about you.